Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use discount codes during checkout in ASOS. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to asos.com. Now guys, when you're here you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to ASOS. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to ASOS videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official asos.com website where we have a lot of different things that you can do. So this is the website where you can go and find stuff and clothes for yourself. So we have the women menu where you can go and see sales, new things in clothing, trending, dresses, shoes, accessories, face and body, etc, etc. You also have the men's section, where as you can see you also have the sales, new in clothing, trending, shoes, accessories, brands, sportswear, etc, etc. Also you can see here we have discounts for men, discounts for women. And guys, in the top right corner you can go to the marketplace and change the language of the website and the currency. And in the top right corner also you have everything about your account. So you have your sign out option, your account, your orders, return information, and the contact preferences. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use discount codes during checkout in ASOS. Well, first of all, you need to find an item that you want to buy and put to checkout. So basically, for instance, let's click here, select the size, add to bag, and then when we are in the bag, you can go to checkout. And here guys, in the checkout, as you can see, in the top right corner, we have promo, student codes or vouchers, everything is here. We can go and apply that here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.